Hello and welcome to Promonoise. I'm your host, Alex Morin. I've always got revolutionary ideas for you, and today's first revolutionary idea is for you to subscribe to this channel. Subscribe to the channel so you never miss another educational video from us at Promonoise. So today I'm going to take you through a concept as opposed to a product, and the concept is the concept of pockets. Pockets. Pockets are actually very useful. You would never buy a pair of jeans without a pair of pockets, would you? Those would probably be called leggings. So when you're sourcing a bag, when you're sourcing any kind of product, be it a tote bag, a duffel bag, a backpack, a cooler bag, think about the pockets that come with it and all of the fabulous things you can do with those pockets. For instance, if I'm carrying my backpack and it begins to rain, I don't want it raining all over me. I want quick access to my umbrella. Henceforth, I'll put it in the side pocket where I can get it right away. If I'm thirsty, how about having that in a side pocket like we've got over there with easy access to the water bottle or whatever drink you want to put in there? On the other hand, we're always struggling to find our cables, aren't we? Where's the cable to plug in my phone? Where's the cable for my laptop? I love side pockets because we can easily access our cables. They're right there, they're ready to go, and they're not all tied together in knots at the bottom of the bag. What else can you put in a pocket to give you easy access that will make your life easier? Hey, are you starting a road hockey game? Put your hockey balls in there, no problem. Are you hungry and you're always hungry and you don't want to be squishing food in the bottom of your bag? Throw a couple of oranges in there as well. Isn't that great? What about if you're walking outside, the clouds part, it becomes a beautiful day because you just manifest beautiful things? Don't you want your sunglasses to be handy? Right there on the outside pocket. Pockets, pockets, pockets. I want you thinking about those things. What if those clouds part and you need some sunscreen, huh? Right there in the side pocket, the sunscreen is available. Oh my gosh, glorious ideas. What else is he gonna put out? What else could you possibly put in a pocket? Well, we all need to look good, don't we? So if you wanna look good all the time, then you're gonna wanna have a brush handy, and that's why the brush goes in the side pocket so that we have easy access to it, and you can pick up your next girlfriend or boyfriend right on the spot there by looking genius with your gorgeous hair. Pockets, pockets. I'm having fun today, obviously, but I wanted to show you a little bit about thinking about what you're going to be buying. And honestly, pockets are important. Hey, I hope you enjoyed this kind of tongue-in-cheek video, but I think it might be a little useful also. I'm Alex from Promonoise. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, check out our website at www.promonoise.com, check out our blogs, and let's keep making beautiful noise together. So long, and we'll catch you at the next one.